Hello, Earl. Okay, we're going to do a little training session here. We got our 3-tower system. All the machines are off right now, so we're going to tell you the order on how we turn these. Now, hold on, Johnny. Here's the deal. What we do is we leave the second 2 towers in the on position. And then these guys are controlled by the A tower. That's in the off position. Okay? So first thing in the morning, let's say we're going to set up a job to do 8.5 by 11. We come over, we turn on the SPF 20A, and then we come on down, we turn on the ST 40, and we turn on the A tower. Okay, so all the towers will be on, whether you're using 1 or 3. Okay, so right now it's just going to calibrate. It's going to find its home position. Okay, everything goes to home. Stitcher heads go out, come back in. The guides come out and go back in. Stitcher carriage comes back to its home position. And then what we're going to do is we'll show you how to set up for an 8.5 by 11 job. Should be just about ready to go. There's the wires. Okay, hold on. Here we go. Now we're going to do a saddle stitch book. So we hit the stitch book, and then we hit 8.5 by 11. It tells us to take these guides out. So if the rails or support rails are in there, you would take those out. And if the guide and the trimmer was in there, you would take that out. Because they're not in there, we're just going to hit OK. Okay, now it's going to set up for an 8.5 by 11 job. That's all you have to do. Hold on, wait. We're going to come over to the ST40. And we're going to put that in the stitch mode. Okay, so this is the mode if you just want to straight collate. And this is the mode if we're going to bypass and make hooks. So our stitcher heads are all setting up. They're coming in. The guides are coming in. See them coming in. Literally, it sets up in about a minute or 2. Okay, now we come over to our back tower. Hold on. We've already got this, we just loaded up 3 bins with 8.5 by 11. That's pretty easy. You just justify it to the non-operator side. All right, hold on. So this will be the screen that you see when the machine turns on. And then we're going to calibrate a set right now. So we hit, hold on. First of all, we're going to tell it that we're only running 1 tower. So we're going to turn those 2 towers off. And now we're going to go back to calibration. And we're going to hit calibrate. Now we're going to raise up. It's going to take 1 sheet from each bin. It's going to test to make sure that you have 1 set. It stops here in the calibration mode for us to take the set out and count to make sure we have the correct amount of sheets. And, pretty simple, we've got how many sheets, Johnny?
4.
4. Okay, and how many do we have loaded?
4.
4. Very good. So wait. So now, what are we going to do?
We're leaving this, going to the main screen.
We're going to leave this screen. We're going to go to the run screen.
And we hit run.
We're going to hit run. That's what we do to set up. Now there might be a little bit of fine tuning in the booklet maker, but right now we're ready to run hook. There we go. So that's all you do to run 8.5 by 11 books. Run out of paper? So next video that we do, we will set up for 11 by 17.